Welcome back to my channel, ZF Coins. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of coin collecting with a special focus on the 1999 D 5 cent Jefferson Nickel, a coin that could be worth a staggering $70,261 million. Yes, you heard that right. Stay tuned as we uncover the history, rarity, value, and why this specific coin has skyrocketed in worth. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our coin content. Let's get started. Before we jump into its jaw-dropping value, let's understand what exactly a 1999 D Jefferson Nickel is. In the United States, the Jefferson Nickel is one of the most iconic coins in circulation. First minted in 1938, it bears the image of President Thomas Jefferson. The 1999 D nickel, as the name suggests, was struck at the Denver Mint, marked by the D Mint mark. Now, most 1999 D Jefferson nickels are worth only 5 cents, or a bit more if they're in good condition. But what makes this specific coin so valuable? That's what we're going to dig into. So stay with me. Let's take a quick look at the history of the Jefferson Nickel. Designed by artist Felix Schlag, the Jefferson Nickel was first introduced in 1938 to replace the Buffalo Nickel. It features Thomas Jefferson on the obverse, while the reverse displays his home, Monticello. The coin was meant to honor Jefferson's legacy and his contributions to the U.S. over the years. There have been a few design changes, but the 1999 D coin stayed largely the same. This year is particularly important because it marks the end of the series before the introduction of the Westward Journey Nickel series in 2004. So for collectors, this makes 1999 an important year in the history of U.S. coinage. Now, let's dive into the reason behind that mind-boggling value of $70,261 million for this 1999 D nickel. You might be wondering, how can a coin that's worth 5 cents possibly reach such astronomical heights? Well, let's break it down. The value of coins, especially rare ones, is determined by several factors. These include rarity, demand, condition, historical significance, and unique minting errors. In this case, what really sets this 1999 D nickel apart from the rest are some very rare minting anomalies. The coins with specific errors are worth far more than a regular nickel. For instance, certain 1999 D nickels have been discovered with unique die breaks, doubling, or even misstrikes. These are often referred to as error coins. When these errors happen during the minting process, they create coins with unusual characteristics that make them far more valuable to collectors. Some error coins can fetch thousands or even millions of dollars. Let's talk more about those rare minting errors. A die break occurs when a minting die used to strike the coin breaks or deteriorates, leaving an impression on the coin. This can cause portions of the coin to appear unusual, sometimes creating a distorted or raised area on the coin surface. When you encounter a die break or a double die in a coin like the 1999 D Jefferson Nickel, collectors get excited because these are truly rare. One of the most significant finds was a 1999 D Jefferson Nickel with a massive die crack, making it one of the most sought-after error coins in recent history. It's this kind of error that has led to the $70,261 million value estimate for the rarer specimens of this coin. How do you spot a 1999 D Jefferson Nickel that could be worth a fortune? There are several signs to look out for. First, examine the coin carefully under magnification. Look for signs of doubled or misaligned strikes. These can be faint at first glance, but under magnification, you'll see them clearly. Next, inspect the mint mark closely. A misaligned or even a doubled mint mark can be an indicator of a minting error. Always check for die breaks, which appear as cracks running across the coin surface. That if you come across a 1999 D nickel that shows these signs, you've got a potentially valuable coin in your hands. If you think you found a 1999 D nickel with one of these errors, you might be wondering, how do I sell it? The best way is to get your coin appraised by a professional numismatist. Online auction sites like eBay, heritage auctions, or specialized coin dealers are great places to start selling. There are also coin conventions and shows where collectors gather, making them a perfect place to exchange your rare coins. Remember, if you find a coin that could be worth millions, don't rush to sell it. Always get it authenticated and appraised by an expert. The market for error coins has been on the rise in recent years. As more collectors enter the hobby, the demand for rare and unique coins has driven up prices. Error coins, especially those from the 1990s, have seen a steady increase in value. The 1999 D Jefferson Nickel is a prime example of this, with its value continuing to soar due to its rarity and high demand among collectors. Now let's take a look at some real-world examples. Back in 2008, a 1999 D Jefferson Nickel with a major die crack sold for over $10,000. More recently, in 2023, a similar coin with even more pronounced errors was auctioned for upwards of $500,000. The possibilities are endless, and as we've seen, a single coin can change your life if it's the right one. To wrap up, while most 1999 D Jefferson Nickels are worth only 5 cents, the rare error versions can be worth a fortune, sometimes up to $70,261 million. Coin collector and history. Top 2. The journey of a U.S. $1 coin begins in the late 18th century, just after the founding of the United States. In 1794, the U.S. Mint was established, and its first coins were struck. But before we even get to the dollar coin, let's take a quick look at the earliest currency. In 1794, the first official U.S. silver dollar was minted, featuring Lady Liberty on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse. This set the tone for American coinage for many years to come. As America grew, so did the coinage system. The $1 coin evolved through various designs, with major changes happening in the 19th and 20th centuries. By the mid-1800s, silver and gold coins were the backbone of U.S. currency, but the dollar coin itself would see many changes. The Morgan dollar, first minted in 1878, became one of the most beloved silver dollars in U.S. history. Its design, featuring a profile of Lady Liberty on the obverse and a majestic eagle on the reverse, made it iconic. But the dollar coin wasn't just for collectors. It was also used in commerce, representing the strength and growth of a nation. Fast forward to the mid-1970s. America was preparing for the 200th anniversary of its independence, the Bicentennial. This milestone prompted a unique opportunity for a special edition of the $1 coin. In 1975 and 1976, the U.S. Mint released the Bicentennial dollar coin, which became a symbol of national pride. But what makes this coin special? Well, it's the only time in history the reverse of the coin featured an image of the Liberty Bell in front of the moon, with a new design celebrating America's independence. This coin was released in both copper nickel-clad and silver versions, making it an instant collector's item. But was it just a symbol of celebration, or did it hold value for investors? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about the real reason you're watching this video: the staggering value of these coins today. Back in 1776, the U.S. Mint wasn't thinking about the collector's market. They were focused on circulation and trade. However, over the years, these coins became rare and their value soared. The 1976 Bicentennial dollar is especially noteworthy. While millions of these coins were minted, some are worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars today. In fact, as of the latest estimates, the total value of the Bicentennial $1 coins circulating today has climbed to a combined worth of over $136,667 million. The value of any coin is determined by factors like rarity, condition, and demand. For the Bicentennial $1 coin, its value increased due to its symbolic connection to the nation's 200th anniversary. Coins in mint condition, especially those made of silver, are worth significantly more than the regular copper-nickel clad versions. The silver version, known as the 40% silver Bicentennial dollar, is much more valuable today. This coin has become a treasure for investors and collectors alike, with some coins worth tens of thousands of dollars, depending on their quality and rarity. Now, if you're thinking of starting your own collection or cashing in on some of these valuable coins, you'll need to know how to identify them. First, let's talk about the design. The Bicentennial dollar coin comes in two versions: the regular copper-nickel clad coin and the silver version. Check the edge of the coin. A silver coin will have a distinct edge, and it will be heavier than the standard copper-nickel version. That you'll also want to check for special minting errors or other rare traits that could increase a coin's value. Coins with misprints, off-center strikes, or other imperfections can command higher prices at auction. The US $1 coin, specifically the Bicentennial coin minted in 1976, is not only a fascinating piece of American history, but also a valuable investment for collectors. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or just getting started, these coins are worth taking a closer look at. With an astonishing total value of $136,667 million, it's clear that the history, rarity, and investment potential of the Bicentennial $1 coin are unmatched. Make sure to keep an eye out for one of these coins in your collection. It could be worth a lot more than you think. Thank you for joining me in today's deep dive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coin-related content. Until next time, happy collecting. Thank you for watching today's video, and it's an interesting. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. CoinsZF.